The P1 error code on your Honeywell portable air conditioner indicates a critical water tank issue that requires immediate attention. This error means either the water tank is completely full or it's not positioned correctly in the unit. When this happens, the air conditioner will trigger an alarm and automatically shut down to prevent water damage. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step solution to fix this P1 error and get your air conditioner running again. Step 1. First, check if the water tank is properly installed and secured in the correct position. Remove the tank and reinstall it, making sure it clicks into place securely. If the tank is properly positioned but the error persists, the tank is likely full and needs to be drained. Step 2. If the water tank is full, you need to drain it completely. First, unplug the unit from power for safety. Then carefully move the unit to a drain location. Step 3. After draining, replace the drain plug securely. Now restart the unit and watch for the P1 symbol to disappear. Once it's gone, plug the unit back in and turn it on normally. When done correctly, the P1 error will clear and your air conditioner will resume normal operation. The error display should change from P1 to OK, indicating the problem is resolved. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the P1 error, advanced techniques are needed. We'll examine drainage systems, cleaning procedures, leak detection, and environmental factors that can cause persistent P1 errors. First, examine the drainage system components. The auto drain pump tube and cap must be correctly connected to the drain outlet. Check that the seal washer inside the drain tube cap is properly installed. Regular cleaning is essential for preventing P1 errors. Turn off power and unplug the unit. Remove the casing to clean accumulated dust and dirt inside. Clean the air filters regularly, as lint and dirt buildup affects performance. Check for water leaks that can trigger the P1 error. Ensure the water tank is properly inserted and leveled. Inspect both the tank and unit bottom for cracks. Verify the splash guard and handles are correctly positioned. Environmental conditions can cause P1 errors. Check that voltage is stable, as unstable power can interfere with sensors. Ensure ambient temperature is within normal operating range, as extreme temperatures affect the temperature sensor and compressor operation. If the P1 error persists after these advanced troubleshooting steps, consult your Honeywell user manual for model-specific instructions or contact customer support. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding future P1 errors.